ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Tibetan Women's Association kalakot bat wear yakiri jang Pyrthei brok away ba kin Ïashim Bynta ha ka Olympic ka ban salong house nam arajar arpuar hanong ba Beijing jang kiri China ha ka jing kren ba kila Pyrthei kabor ka president jang ka Tibetan Women's Association ka Tenzing Dolma kalai thu ba kin jing kerpat yakiri ka Pyrthei ban Ïashim Bynta ni ka lumpung ilekai kalong namar ka jingpan ben jang ka China ya ki jai pen rio Tibetan ki ba syong basa ha Tibet kabadang yai peteng hadu kini gisngi bat ka jingra bor ya u11 panchan lama ujidan choki nima nadu budang red klem da plat shu hadu kini klep mat.
Women's Association is founded in 1959 March 12 when China captured Tibet. After that we came to exile in 1984 by the blessing and guidance of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Nowadays we have 58 regional chapters and around 20,000 members. Today we came here to appeal the Indian leaders. We came with the 5 points. First one is please support us for the dialogue with His Holiness Dalai Lama and the China delegates. And secondly, about the human rights. We don't have human rights, basic human rights in Tibet. Our brothers and sisters are suffering a lot. Is getting worse and worse every day. So all the political leaders and the Indian government to support us for that one, please voice up. And thirdly, our 11th Panchen Lama, Kindin Shikinima, he was captured by China. We don't know where he is, and he is the youngest prisoner all over the world. Please support us to release him if he is alive. And fourthly, our environment, world environment जो world का environment सबसे ज़्यादा सुरक्षित रखना चाहिए. उसमें अभी तिब्बत का जो environment वो destruction ज़्यादा कर रहा है. इसके वजह से even though after they are constructing lots of dams also, they were diverting the rivers of Tibet. Not only Tibet, in future the Asia will affect, all the Asia will affect. So that point is very important, not for the benefits of Tibet, for the all over the Asia. And last point is सब मिलकर नारे लगाएं कि बीजिंग ओलंपिक ना हो, बॉयकॉट 2022 बीजिंग ओलंपिक. क्योंकि बीजिंग ओलंपिक तो ऐसे राज्य में होना चाहिए कि जिसमें मानव अधिकार एक ही हो, सबको एक ही तरफ देखे, जहाँ कंपैशन हो. अभी तो हाल ही में आफ्टर कोविड-19 से पता चल चुका है, नॉट ओनली इंडिया, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड के लीडर सब पता चल चुके हैं. इसलिए ऐसा ना हो, इसलिए हम सब मिलकर नारे लगाएं कि बॉयकॉट चाहिए बीजिंग ओलंपिक. ऐसे 5 विषय लेके हम लोग अभी तक हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आए हैं. आगे भी जाएंगे, हम लोग सबसे मिलेंगे, अपील करेंगे, हम लोग इसके बारे में आप लोग बात रखें. अभी तक जो इन मेघालय पब्लिक और गवर्नमेंट में हम लोग को जितना सपोर्ट किया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद. इससे ज़्यादा स्पेशली फॉर द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस. Beijing, because there is no human rights in Tibet, they have captured not only Tibet, the minority of the Uyghur, all these is Turkestan and all. They are repressing all these. We don't have the rights to talk our own language also. We can't use our set also. They are destroying our monastery, violating all the peoples. Till now, 155 people have self-immolated because of the repression.
Suppression of
Chinese government.
Okay.
That's why when a country there is no compassion, I think no human rights, then how they can get the opportunity to host the Beijing Olympic. That's why we boycott Beijing Olympic.